Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your Samsung model and Android version because VoLTE requires both device and carrier support. Once done, make sure the Jio SIM is inserted in the primary SIM slot and has active 4G service. Next, update your phone OS and carrier settings while on Wi-Fi so nothing blocks provisioning. Don't pause. Open Settings, navigate to Software Update, and install any available patches. Then reboot to apply changes before moving to the next phase. Now you enable the feature. Go to Settings Connections Mobile Networks and turn on Enhanced 4G LTE mode. This routes calls over VoLTE for clearer voice and faster call setup. If that switch isn't visible, select SIM card settings for Jio and enable VoLTE calling there, because some Samsung skins place it per SIM. Make sure network mode is LTE/3G/2G, auto, so the phone can fall back if necessary. Once enabled, reboot so the network re-registers your device with Jio's VoLTE core. Finish by verifying VoLTE is active. Place a call and look for the VoLTE icon in the status bar. You should notice crisper audio and faster connect times. If nothing changes, try a quick fix. Toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds or power off and reinsert the SIM. This forces the network to reprovision. If VoLTE still won't appear, contact Jio support to confirm SIM activation for VoLTE and request a carrier profile reset, because often the issue is provisioning, not your Samsung.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.